Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Creative Abhyas. It's time to learn some more dining etiquettes. So today I would be talking to you about how to take a chair at the dining table and the napkin etiquette. So to sit at the dining chair, what we need to do is, usually when we arrive at a restaurant or a eating joint, we find our chair tucked in like this. And what we need to do is, we just need to lift it a bit and bring it back. I am using the word lift and not drag because dragging may make some sound which may not be pleasant. So always lift the chair and pull it back. Don't drag it. And then you can just get inside your chair and sit. While sitting, you can pull it a bit and sit comfortably. Sit straight. Do not try to slouch or slide to one side. Do not try to place your arms like this on the chair, but you need to sit straight. You can take the support of the back of the chair with your spine and sit straight, or else you can just sit in the center of the chair like this and place your forearms on the table to be comfortable. Sit straight but yet be comfortable and relaxed. Next is, the first thing we need to do is to unfold the napkin once we have taken our seat at the dining table. The napkin is usually placed in our side plate, folded like this, or in your dinner plate like this, or it is made into some fold and kept for you to use. So we unfold the napkin like this and place it on your laps. The napkin is meant to protect our clothes from food spillage. Still, we cannot place it in our collarbone or like a bib or in the neckline. That's only for the kids we do at times. So it is for elders. We just spread it on our laps and use it from there. Or in case we need, we can just take it and use it to dab our lips to ensure that there are no food particles on our lips or mouth, and then again place it. Remember that this napkin is meant to be used during the meals. It's not your hand towel. So do not consider it like or treat it like your hand towel. You need to use it in a certain way, which we are learning today. So you can just dab your lips with this. Do not try to clean your face, your forehead, or wipe your nose or anything like that with this napkin. You can dab your fingers also like this. You can wipe your fingers like this. Like this, when it is placed on your laps, you can just wipe your fingers up and down. Do not try to wring the napkin and clean your finger or wipe your finger like this. As I told you, it's a napkin, it's not your hand towel. The napkin, once unfolded and spread on the laps, remains on your laps throughout the meal. It does not return to the table in between the meals. In case you need to leave in between the meal, excuse yourself to use the washroom or to take a call or for any other reason, then you can just leave your napkin on your chair like this. Other than that, it remains on your laps. Even if you have finished eating, your napkin remains on the laps. Even if everybody has finished eating at the table, the napkin still remains at the laps. It only goes to the table once you are finally done with the meal and you are about to leave. That is the time you just take the napkin and leave it like this, slightly folded, like this on your side plate or near to your plate. You can just leave it. Don't try to fold the napkin the way it was offered to you. It's not needed. It may also confuse the waiter, or the next guest can mistake it as an unused napkin. So don't need to fold like this, but you can just leave it in a rough way, slightly fold it like this, so that we can make out it's a used napkin, and that is the way we leave it on the table. So this is with regard to how to sit at the dining chair, how to take your seat, and how to use the napkin. I hope all of you will remember this. This will help you in your daily life. It can be learnt easily with little practice. It's not so hard, and it also helps building your confidence and also keeps up your positive image when you are going out for dining. So do follow this, and if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.